Guys, it's me again, Ryan Putnam, and just going to do a review on my new truck. It's really awesome getting at your local Walmart. So you turn on this, and so it doesn't look it's on, but when you press that button, it's on. And you flip this switch on. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm probably going to put my phone in the back of it, because I can. It's got a little stand in the back. But I'm like figure out a place where I can put it that you guys can see it from. Maybe I could squeeze it right in between there. Alright, yep. And then we'll go into my haul. Slowly. Oops. Looks like it fell. But as you guys can tell, I'm in the back of it. Okay. See when I go fast, it just takes it out. Maybe if I can. So even though when I go slow, it even does it. Wait, I got an idea. I could put it in the front of it. Alright, we're in the front of it right now. Alright. Hopefully this does not fall out. No pregnancy. See how you guys can see. You want to crash it. That was a hardcore crash.
All you're going to do is wear your battery down. Why are you telling me to be quiet?
I'm going to see if you guys can show me. I found, before I had it in the back of my truck, but if I can't find it, and then I have like a different solution I put it in the front. But whenever I go too fast, it falls out or something. So this is what I found with the secret pocket. Yeah, but yeah, it's really awesome, guys. Like, I think you should get it at your local Walmart or something. So it's really fun. You can race your friends. See here. I'm gonna drive it in. I'm running over my phone. One more. You guys did it. You guys are in my room. Yeah, so that's all I got for you guys today. Xbox One. Dogs. You guys should really buy this at your local Walmart. Peace out.